Hey folks, how y'all doing? This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Right here is the Hobby King Tundra. Now, I've of course done many videos on this, but today's video is not the purpose of showing a new plane or reviewing a new plane. But lately, this time of the year, I have clear or nearly clear skies, or just blank blue skies, or very few clouds. And so when you're flying the plane, it can make the film quite boring because all you see is a little blue or white speck in a black or a blue background. And so for that, I've decided I'm going to start practicing my very low, closer to the terrain flight, so that you can get a better background, the tree line, everything, and that way you can see it. Of course, in a flat terrain, that's hard to do, but we're going to practice basically our lower altitude flying, and also dealing with crosswind, which is what I always seem to have. So I'll be talking you through this and what I'm doing, and what I'm experiencing as this. And I don't normally do it this way, so it's fairly new to me also. So let's go on out here. As you can see, yes, I do have some clouds, but what I'm going to be trying to do is follow that horizon line, trying to stay as low to the ground as I can, and also try to fly as close as I can. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Timer set for 6.5 minutes. Motor is on. All right, we got, like I said, we got a little bit of a southwest breeze, about 10 mile an hour, so not really all that bad. So let's get turned around, and we'll take off into the wind. All right. So I'm gonna try to stay as low as I safely can, and as close as I safely can. Don't think I can keep it underneath the silhouette of or the background of the power lines, but because you have to remember, altitude is your friend. The closer you are to the ground, your chances of being able to save yourself if you have a problem get exponentially less. So, and this plane here, wind is gusty today, but this plane here has an AR620, so it's got no kind of gyro or wind mitigation at all. So if I get a sudden gust and I'm down low, really low, then I have very little time to make a correction or try to save myself. So let's see if I can't. Trying to keep it, you know, under 15 feet if I can. I'm probably, don't know how well I can do that, but just trying to keep her lower. Also, if I keep her in close, then y'all can see her better. Now, this plane here, in the way of a review, is a very stable plane. Very stable. The vortex generators that you have to glue on individually on the top of the wing make for a great for slow flying control, which is great for what I'm doing right now. And the color schemes that this plane is offered in, to me, this is my favorite. It's a British plane, British company, so I go for them. It's the Union Jack, but for me, it's the good old glory colors, red, white, and blue. But anyways, like I say, I'm just trying to keep her low and slow, and dealing with this wind too. So let's go ahead and set her up for another landing. Whoa, see that gust I just had that she suddenly dipped? If I was like really low, could have lost my plane just then. All right, let's go ahead and, yeah, I'm going into the wind right now. So that just shows you how cross runway it is. All right. I know I've taken off close to the clubhouse there, but I'm the only one here again. Most people don't like to fly this time of the day. See if I can pull off a knife edge. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, quite gusty.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
But anyways. Great plane. The only modification I have done to this Tundra. Oh yeah, look at this.
Braking. Brakes off.
The only modification that I've done to this plane is it does not have stock tires. The stock tires that come with it, oh man, here's a serious gust right now. The stock tires that come with it are great, but they're held on with these cheap little plastic screw-on hubs. And when I first got the plane, I tried on the, I don't know if it was the maiden or the second flight, thought I had them hubs secured on there. When I landed maybe the second or third landing, that hub came rolling right off. Of course, the wheel came rolling on, and it was actually quite funny because the plane landed and the wheel rolled past it. So, after much drama, I ended up ultimately with just replacing the stock wheels with wheel collars and some timber tires off of an E-Flight timber. So, well, anyways, there you go. Okay, let's make one attempt at least to land on the runway and fight this cross breeze. I know I went a little higher than I'm intended to do. So, trying to fly or lower for you. All right, I'm going to fly the plane right at me, and then turn. Wheelie, wheelie, wheelie. Well, that just shows you how the wind is blowing. You turn that wing against that wind, what do you think's going to happen? Especially when it's that strong. It's going to flip that light little foam plane right on over. So, and you know me, I can't leave a flight like that. So, oh, I'm up high. See, it's my natural reaction to take her up kind of high. But flying low like this and keeping the plane in low,
time remaining 1 minute.
Make sure it's with a plane that you're very comfortable with. And remember, landing is all about throttle more than anything else. All right, folks, well, that is the HK Tundra. The Durafly is the actual brand. Hobby King is the one that sells it. It's their in-house brand. And just a great high wing plane. As you can see in this wind, very capable. And I don't have a gyro. I've just got an AR620 in there, which is all you need because you want to be able to use that reverse function. And just so you know, that reverse function is that little signal wire that comes off the ESC. Motor off. All right, well, there you go, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Just a little example of trying to fly low and dealing with it, father, or dealing with a cross breeze and dealing with wind and trying to keep the plane lower to where we can enjoy her better. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. Bye, y'all.